Hi, welcome to Mary's Math Club.
Today we will discuss about polynomial, basic of polynomials. What is polynomials? The word poly, from most probably it came from the Greek word origin. It means many, means three or more. And nomials, most probably this term came from Latin and its meaning is term. So the mathematical expression which is containing three or more terms, that is called polynomial. So with an expression, which means an example, we will start. Suppose 3x square y plus 4xyz minus 9 y square z. In this expression, how many terms are there? How we will count it? How we will count it? How many terms are here? See here, first we have to keep it in mind. That variables, if they are connected with multiplication or division, we don't consider them as a term. Means here, in this case, 3 into x square into y. So here they are connected, this constant and the variables, they are connected with the operation of multiplication. So we are not considering that here is 3 terms, the 3x square y, not like that. So when we are considering them as a term, when there is either plus sign or minus sign. So either plus sign, just like here, or minus sign, then we consider that they are in their terms. That's why here it is one term, then here plus sign, so here it is one term and here it is one term. That means 3 terms are there. So these are the terms, counting how we can count terms. If it is like that 2 by y minus 5xz plus 9, then we consider it is 3 terms. Here though 2 by y means actually 2 divided by y, but we are not considering that 2 by y is 2 terms. It is 2 terms. No, it is not. 2 by y is not 2 terms. Though 2 by y means 2 divided by y. So again I am saying, when the operation is multiplication or division, then we are not considering that as a term. But when the variables and coefficient are connected with plus sign or minus sign, then we are considering it as a term. If the terms are similar terms or like terms, only then we can do addition and subtraction. If the terms are similar terms or like terms, only then we can do addition and subtraction operation. Otherwise, in any terms we can do multiplication and division. But if the terms are not similar term, if the terms are dislike terms, then we can't do addition or subtraction. Just like here, see, 3xyz cube plus 8yz square minus 9xy square z plus 7xyz cube. So here xyz cube, here is also xyz, here is also xyz, here is also xyz. But yet that all these 3 terms are not similar. First, this one here, variables, number of variables is x, y, z. 3 variables. Here this y and z variables, not x. X is not here. So these are not at all similar terms. And here x, y, z, here is also x, y, z. But they are not similar because the variables power are different. Here x 1, here x1, y1, here y is 2, y to the power 2, so it is y square, y to the power 2, so it is different. And here z cube, and here it is z only. So here is also power is going different, variables power is going different. That's why they are not similar or like terms, though both the terms are containing the same variable. Here it is also same variable, here it is also same variable, but the same problem is here. So just in this expression, only this one and this one are the similar terms. 7xyz cube and this is 3xyz cube. What will be the coefficient, numeric coefficient, that doesn't matter. But the variables and their power should be same. And then we can say that they are similar terms, and then only we can do addition or subtraction between the similar terms. So here these and these are only similar terms, and that's why this operation we can do only between this and this, neither this one neither this one. So it will gives us the result 3 plus 3xyz cube 7xyz cube. So it will gives us 10xyz cube plus, we can't add it because of this, because it is not similar terms, that's why we can't do this. So we have to keep it same, like 8y z square, and the same thing is applicable for this one also, and that's why we will write minus 9x y square z. In the first case it is written 11x, just only one term is there, that's why it is called monomial. In the second case, here it is written 2xy plus 9, means there is two terms, first term, second term, so it is called binomial as there is two terms. Now here it is written 5a plus 7ab plus 3, that means three terms, first term, second term, third term, 1, 2, 3, so it is called trinomial. And here it is written 6p cube plus 7qr minus 5p plus 12. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. That's why it is called tetranomial. Tetranomials. And next it is written 5xy square plus 3yz minus 9xz minus 7x square y plus 4. That means here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So it is polynomial. Actually, after binomial, we are saying that this is polynomial because 3 or more terms are here. If there is 3 or more terms, that means it is polynomial. So after binomial, we generally say it, all these are as polynomial. Now see, in first case the polynomial, it is not polynomial, it is monomial, and here the coefficient is 11. And here in second case in binomial, the coefficient, one coefficient is 2, variables coefficient is 2. Here in the polynomials, in this term the coefficient is minus 5, here it is minus 9, here it is minus 7. So all these are integers. If the coefficients of the in many terms the coefficients are integers, then we say integer polynomials. If the coefficients means coefficient means I am saying numeric coefficients are real number, then we say it is real polynomials. And if the coefficients are complex number, then we say it is complex polynomial. Now here you will see that it is 11x cube plus 3x square plus 6x. Here is 3 terms, but I am not saying about the number of terms right now. I am saying here number of variable in this polynomial, in this first polynomial, the number of variable is just 1, because everywhere it is x, though the power is different, but the variable is x, only one variable. That's why it is called univariate. That's why it is called univariate. And in the second case, it is 2x cube y plus 9x square y square plus 4xy cube. So it is containing two variables, x and y, x and y, x and y. So it is called bivariate, as there is two variables in the polynomial. And now in the third case, as there is three variables, a, b, c, a, b, c, a, b, c. So three variables are here. That's why it is called trivariate. And here in case number 4, 7mn cube p q r, 8mn p square q r plus 5m square m p q r. So lots of variables are there. M, n, p, q, r. 5 variables are there, more than 3. That's why it is called multivariate. That's why it is called multivariate polynomial. So first one was univariate polynomial, second one is bivariate polynomial, third one is, this one is trinovariate polynomial, and this is multivariate polynomial. Now the degree of polynomial. In the first case, see the 11x cube plus 3x square plus 6x. That means the variable highest power is 3 in the first term. So degree of polynomial is 3. And now in the second case it is x cube y first term, and there is, that means here if we add the power, that means x power is 3 and y power is actually 1. That's why we didn't write it. So it is power is here 4, and here x power is 2, y power is 2. That means here also the sum of the power. It doesn't matter if this is the power of this variable or power of that variable, because both the variables are different. But we will add the power of the variables and see what is the sum. Here it is 2, here it is 2. So it is 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Here it is also 4. So actually in each of the term has the power or degree where highest power is 4. So it is the polynomial of degree 4. And now in the third case, see here 3 variables, but each variable's power is different. Here it is 2, here it is 3 for b, and here is nothing written, that means it is actually 1. So in the first term, of third polynomial, the power is, here power is 6, 2 plus 3 plus 1, here is 6, and here it is 1, nothing means 1, 2 plus 1, that means 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, that is 4. And in third term, a cube bc, that means his power is 3, b1, c1. So total power is 3 plus 1 plus 1, that means it is 5. So highest power obviously this one. Highest power term is obviously this term is containing the highest power, that is 6. So it is the polynomial of degree 6. But now with this discussion we will discussion one another thing, that is homogeneous polynomial. Already here we have seen that it is polynomial of degree 3, it is polynomial of degree 4, and it is polynomial of degree 6. But the difference is here just only one term containing the highest power. Just only one term containing the highest power. Here every term, in each term the power, the sum of the power is same, that is 4. Here it is 4, here it is 4, here it is 4. So in each term the sum of the power of the variables is same. That's why it is called homogeneous polynomial. This is, say, homogeneous polynomial. And here it is highest power is 6, but all other terms has not the highest power. Only this term has the highest power. So this is not homogeneous. This is also not homogeneous. So this is, means case number 2 is homogeneous polynomial. If the sum of the power of all the variables is same in each and every term of the terms of the polynomial, then it is says homogeneous polynomial. And otherwise it is says non-homogeneous, or sometimes some people say heterogeneous polynomial also. Now another thing we will discuss here, just for a moment, that polynomial, any polynomial into polynomial, it will always gives another polynomial. So polynomial into another polynomial or same polynomial will always give one polynomial. And polynomial plus polynomial plus polynomial, that will also give another polynomial. I have written here that for multiplication and addition, it is true that polynomial will get a polynomial as a result. So today up to this, like, share and subscribe my Math Club. Keep watching and keep comments. Bye.